Today, I would like to teach you how to find the mass percents of nitrogen, hydrogen, and iodine in ammonium iodide. Thanks so much for watching. Take a look at how fast this is. And first, we're going to find the mass. Bam. So the first step is to write the elements down that we see. So we got nitrogen, we got hydrogen, and we got iodine. Then we're going to write down the number of atoms of each, and that's where the subscripts come into play. Now, if you don't see a subscript there, just write in a 1. So we got 1 nitrogen, we got 4 hydrogens, and 1 iodine. Then we're going to multiply those numbers by the masses of each element, and that's where the periodic table comes into play. So hydrogen's mass is 1.01, nitrogen is 14.01, and iodine is going to be 126.9. All right, so let's write that in. So 14.01, hydrogen is 1.01, and this was 126.9. And then we're simply going to find the total mass of each element by multiplying that row on across. All right, so the total mass of nitrogen now is 14.01. Total mass of hydrogen is going to be 4.04. Total mass of iodine is the 126.90. Right, and then to find the total mass of the compound, which is really what we want, add this column on up. And the total mass is going to be 144.95. And there you have it. That was the first step of the process, all right, finding the total mass. Now that we know the total mass, I'm going to add a column to the table to help us find those percentages. Watch how nice and simple this is. Bam. So to find the mass percent of nitrogen, we're going to take the total mass of the nitrogen, so you're only going to be looking at this column. Total mass of that nitrogen, 14.01, divided by the total mass of the entire compound, 144.95, and multiply that by 100. And you're going to find your percent of nitrogen, 9.67%. That is a simple percent calculation. It is simply part over whole times 100, and this table gives us beautiful structure to figure that out. Now, same thing for hydrogen. Take the total mass of the hydrogen, 4.04, divided by the total mass of that entire compound, right? Look at how nice and simple this is. This is going to be 2.79 now percent. All right, and then last but not least, same thing for iodine. Take the 126.90 and divide it by then the total, 144.95. Multiply that by 100, and we're going to get roughly 87.55%. And what should happen is you should add these on up, and it should equal basically, I mean, you might have rounded a little bit, but it should equal 100%, all right? If you added the exact percentages, that's exactly what you would get, and that's exactly what I want you to get on your next test. We have a whole channel dedicated to helping you get there. Remember, nothing great is achieved without a little determination, persistence, and practice. And that's what we specialize in, giving you the tools necessary to do a ton of practice. Check out our channel. Bye.